Fill in the floor. Pour the water. Okay. To access this one, just counterclockwise. And then pull. See? This is our filter looks like. So we need to vacuum that one. So look at this one. Need to clean this. Oh, it says it required 2 months, but it just looks like a year. That's why it is not drained properly. We just use this one for now. So I need to vacuum this one. Yeah. I think that's it. Let's clean this one here. So those are what we get from our filter. Then we put this back like this in position. Like that. Okay. Put it tight. Then we put this back in here. Okay. This back here. Okay, and then close it. That's it, guys. We're done cleaning the filter. Bye.